Great product packaging can directly boost your revenue, yet most people get stuck by high-cost design work. What if you could create professional product packaging, a custom logo, realistic mock-ups, and a print-ready die line in just a few minutes, without using Adobe Illustrator or any complicated design software? Every design you are seeing on the screen right now was created using a single AI-powered tool called Packify. You simply enter your product idea, provide a few basic details, and Packify transforms that information into a complete packaging concept that looks ready for a real brand. But generating the initial design is only the beginning. With a simple prompt, you can instantly restyle your packaging, explore completely different visual directions, and preview how each version could look on a real product. Unlike most AI image generators, it also gives you greater control over the final design. Its editing workspace works similarly to Adobe Illustrator. Each design element behaves like a separate layer, allowing you to add, remove, reposition, resize, and customize different parts of your packaging. Once your design is complete, Packify can generate a professional, print-ready die line with the required bleed, trim, cut, and fold areas. In this video, I am going to test the complete workflow, from a basic product idea to the final packaging design, realistic mock-ups, and production-ready die line. Before we dive in, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest updates. So, without further ado, let's get started. Click the first link in the description and you will be taken directly to the Packify website. Its basic monthly plan starts at $20 and includes 1,000 credits, while the Pro plan starts at $30 per month. You can also use the coupon code shown on the screen to receive a 20% discount on all available plans. To begin, click the Get Started for Free button. Create an account using your email address. Once you have signed up, you will be taken to the Packify dashboard. Inside the dashboard, you will find an Inspiration tab. This section allows you to explore packaging design ideas for products across a wide range of categories. It can be especially useful when you are unsure about the visual direction of your packaging. It also includes a complete collection of packaging design tools, such as a label generator, mock-up generator, die line generator, AI logo generator, and even a nutrition label generator. For this demonstration, we are going to create a complete packaging design. Click the Get Started button to open the packaging design tool. A chat-based workspace will appear. Here, it gives us two ways to begin. We can either complete the provided product information fields or enter a rough product idea directly into the chat box. For this video, I will use the first option and provide the product details manually. However, before entering those details, let's create a logo for our product. Go to the Tools page and select the AI logo generator from the Tools menu. For this example, I will paste a prompt asking it to create a clean wordmark logo using our brand name and the additional details shown on the screen. You can also upload a reference image to help the AI understand the style, shape, or direction you want. After selecting the required aspect ratio, click the Generate button. The generation process may take a few moments, and here are the results. Here I have generated a couple of logos for this product, and I will choose this one for our product. Now, let's return to the packaging generator and enter the product information. First, I will add the product name and brand details. Next, I will upload the logo we just created. For the packaging format, I am going to select a stand-up pouch. Now, I will enter information about the product itself. Think of this section as the product description. The information you provide here helps the AI understand what the product is, who it is designed for, and what should appear on the packaging. Next, I will define the visual style. For this product, I want the design to feel warm, natural, and minimal, with clean typography. After that, I will add the preferred color palette and any other relevant design details. Once all the information has been entered, click the Generation button and allow a few moments to create the designs. And here are the first 4 results. At first glance, all 4 designs look surprisingly polished. The layouts are clean, The branding is consistent, and there are no major visual errors. However, there are still a few details that I would like to improve. I will add this design to the chat and ask it to remove this section of text. I will also ask it to make the remaining text bold and convert it to uppercase. You can also use the inspiration button to upload or select reference designs. This can help it better understand the style you are trying to achieve. Once the instructions are ready, click the generation button again. After a short wait, it provides 4 updated variations. These versions look much cleaner, and the requested changes have been applied successfully. Now, let's select one of these designs and generate a print-ready die line. First, I will paste the required product information into the information panel. Next, I will upload the selected packaging design. Click the More button, open the packaging options, and select the stand-up pouch format. You can also customize the dimensions of the package. For this demonstration, I will keep the default dimensions and click the Continue button. After the design has been processed, it opens the editing workspace. This is where we can make more precise changes to the packaging. We can adjust the text settings, resize individual elements, reposition objects, and fine-tune the overall layout. By zooming in, we can inspect the smaller details and identify any alignment or readability problems. For example, we can increase or decrease the text size and move design elements by simply dragging them into position. On the left side of the design, you can see that some of the text and visual elements are overlapping. This may have happened because the original design contained both image-based text and additional information entered through the information panel. To fix this, I will delete the unnecessary text and remove the extra objects. The layout now looks much cleaner, and the important information is easier to read. You can also view a live preview of the packaging on the side of the workspace. This helps you understand how your changes will appear on the final product. The colors of the packaging can also be adjusted directly inside the editor. Similar to Adobe Illustrator, it organizes the different design elements into layers. By selecting an individual layer, we can make changes to that specific element without affecting the rest of the design. At the top of the workspace, we also have options for uploading and managing images. Inside the text menu, it provides different title styles, nutrition facts labels, text layouts, and other useful packaging elements. One of the most interesting features is the Restyle option. By selecting Restyle, we can transform the current packaging into a completely different visual style using a simple text prompt. Within a few moments, it creates several new versions of the same packaging design. The product information remains consistent, but the overall colors, typography, illustrations, and visual direction have changed. When you find a design you like, you can save it to your library and return to it later. You are also not limited to restyling the entire design. It allows you to select and restyle an individual element while keeping the rest of the packaging unchanged. This gives you much more control when you only want to update a specific illustration, background, shape, or graphic. Once you are satisfied with the final design, you can export it as a PDF file for printing. You can also download an Adobe Illustrator compatible file if you want to make further adjustments using professional design software. Here is what the exported PDF looks like. The packaging artwork has been positioned correctly inside the die line, along with the bleed, trim, fold, and crease areas required for production. The PDF also includes a separate page containing only the packaging design. The final page displays the complete die line structure. It also includes an AI product photography feature that allows you to present your finished product in realistic environments. To use it, upload an image of your product. The tool will automatically detect the product and remove its original background. You can then choose from the available backgrounds or generate a completely new setting. For this example, I will select one of these backgrounds and click the Generate button. After a short wait, it creates multiple professional product photographs with different backgrounds and compositions. The results look impressive, and could be useful for advertisements. Instead of arranging a physical photo shoot, you can quickly visualize your product in several realistic settings. What do you think about Packify? Would you use an AI tool like this for your next packaging project? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Do not forget to use the coupon code shown on the screen to receive a 20% discount on your selected plan. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, please ask in the comments section. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.